this morning I was listening to Netanyahu, and he was saying that we are bringing the peace. And he said that the Trump said, before you bring peace, you have to bring the strength. And I immediately remember the words of the Quran, where God said, Allah said, when it is said to them, don't make mischief in the earth, they say we are the peacemakers. No doubt you are the mischief maker, but you perceive not, you understand not. Now look at this, Israel attacked Iran first, and he still call himself the peacemaker. And now America is attacking to Iran already, attacking to their nuclear sites. It's good there is no uranium. If there was uranium, it can spread and it can kill millions of people. And then yet they are calling themselves, we are the peacemaker. They are liars. They are the destroyer of the peace. Iran didn't attack to Israel. Israel attacked to Iran. And now when he was given very hard time by the Iran, very tough time by the Iran, now he's calling his father USA, come and join me and help me. And now the Trump is attacking to Iran without any reason, just to destroy nuclear sites. And then what the Netanyahu said, he said he's giving the thanks to Trump. Okay, you good, you join me now. Why? Because he want to impose a World War III on the world. He want to destroy the world with the World War III. He want the hundreds of millions of people will be killed in that war. Iran didn't attack Israel. Iran didn't attack USA. Israel attacked the Gaza, attacked the Lebanon, attacked the Syria, attacked the Iraq, Syria, everywhere. And now the Israel is attacking to Iran just to destroy the world. They are the one who captured the land of Palestine, and now they are calling America to join the war. If Russia and China will join on the side of the Iran, that will be the big mess. Hundreds of millions of people will be killed. Israel is doing evil now. As there was a time when the Pharaoh was doing evil to them, slaughtering their sons, now they are slaughtering the children of Palestine. Iran is retaliating to Israel because Israel was the one attacked to Iran. And now I heard him, he was saying that he and the Trump are the peacemakers. Subhanallah, how nonsense is this? How evil are they? They are destroying the humanity. They are killing the innocent people. And he is calling himself the peacemaker. And what Allah said in the Quran, and then it is said to them, don't make mischief on the earth. Don't make those wars on the earth. They say we are the peacemakers. No doubt you are the mischief makers, but you perceive not. May Allah destroy them who are destroying the peace of the humanity. We want that there will be peace. We want there will be peace between in Middle East, the peace between China and Philippines, the peace between North Korea and South Korea, the peace between China and Taiwan. So this is the plan of the superpower to let people to fight. No, we want people to be united as one human. No fighting in the world, no wars in the world. The world can only make destruction, and nothing better can happen with the world. May Allah bring the peace in the world, and may Allah destroy those who are destroying the peace. May Allah guide us. Ameen.